Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new Disney vlog. We're literally just about to head into the parks. I just packed my bag there. I'm doing my first little Lotso bound. Well, my first Disney bound probably ever. So I have my ears on. And then I have this little jumper and a little strawberry dress. And then I also have the bag. I bought this in Disneyland Paris in January. How cute is he? Now, the bag is actually huge. We're gonna go now and head into the parks. We're just in the Market House deli. We haven't eaten here in years because it's always so busy. So we're sitting outside. There's like some sort of parade starting now. So we just got a croque monsieur. It's like a ham and cheese toasty. I hope I didn't get turkey. Oh, it's a bubble. It's a bubble. It's a bubble. I thought it was a wasp. It was a bubble.
What is wrong with you, man?
Aaron's terrified of us. Oh my god, I thought it was a wasp.
Gave me a stroke.
No, it was a bubble.
When you spat the ham and cheese toasty all over your woman.
Oh, good night. We just finished our breakfast. It was lovely, wasn't it?
Yeah,
it was very filling. Walking through the arcade now because there's a parade on, so we're just trying to avoid Main Street. So I don't know what we're going to do, but usually Fantasyland is dead quiet while this is on. So sorry about the background, it's very bright out. We're just on Pirates. I didn't record it because I recorded 10 times before. And we just came to Coco's to get a slushie. We're going to do the train. So we said we get a slushie for the train because it's very, very warm. These slushies are the best things since sliced bread. They're so good. Aaron got himself a margarita. He loves now margarita. And then I got the big slushie.
For anyone who is travel sick, this is a warning.
You said this the last time.
This is a warning. Skip now.
Just as we got on, it starts to rain. Oh, is that 35 minutes? That's about 15.
Yeah, it wasn't as long. Yeah, but it's weird because the app said 25. Driving on the phone.
Oh, that's the
That's for all the crashed cars. We might land up there while Aoife
that's
drives.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces passing home back, and I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Why is it going slow? That's not me.
You're doing a lot better than you did last time.
Oh, I know, yeah, I told you. The last one was out with gas. This is a different track as well, isn't it? If you were currently watching this, remember the last time I said that I have my license and my lessons, but I don't have my license? Well, still don't have my license, and I still don't have a car. So this is the closest I get to driving. Nothing's changed since January. What's the hold up here? We just got off on Tokyo, guys. Always a good ride. The fella actually at the end, did you see him? So he's telling people to put up. And Aaron always likes my driving, but he see me and he went like this.
Super.
He was like, and then just said, yeah, get out of the car. Yeah, my parking skills were so good. We're just in a virtual queue at the moment. We can stitch a virtual, a princess, everything like that, but they were literally gone in 2 seconds yesterday, so I couldn't get one. We managed to get a virtual. We managed to get accepted into the virtual queue, and we got a princess. I have never met, in all the years I'm coming here, I've never met a princess in Disneyland Paris because the pavilion had to queue for 2 hours, and now the pavilion is a part of the virtual queue. It's 77 minutes until we can go in, and oh yeah, it doesn't let you book something else. We tried to get out of that queue after and get like Stitch or something, but it only lets you do literally one at a time, which isn't great because it's technically one a day then. Oh, like Aaron wasn't able to do it on his phone because I was already locked in on my phone, you know. But yeah, so we're going to try and get into Victoria's now because it's lashing raining. We're in Victoria's now. They have loads of things for the music festival, like this, all these mainly Stitch drinks, and then there's more on this page. Little cakes. all of these. That looks really nice, but it's like a sharing plate. And then this is what we came here for. And then you can also get that outside. So yeah, so I got the caramel one. And then they put little brownie bits on it, syrup. And then we also got this little stitch to try. It's like white chocolate, raspberry, no, not raspberry, blueberry, and something else. Let's try the stitch. Wait, I just can smash it.
What zero?
Okay. So this is broken up stitch. He got battered. The cream, raspberry, that's white chocolate. It's nice, but it's just a bit boring. Like, I wish they didn't take the waffles off the menu while the thing was on. Just a little bit boring.
It's pretty good in it because you can't get your waffle.
We're not speaking. So we had our Victoria. Cake was nice. It was nicer the more I ate it. I'd say I'd give it maybe a 6.5 or a 7 out of 10. But like, if that was there or a waffle, I would not eat it again. I'd be only eating a waffle. I sense a character down this way. It is 10 or 11 minutes, I think it is, until we meet a princessa. So we're just going around, wasting time literally just to see who else there is here. We're meeting a princess. This is as far as me and your mum got the last time we left. He said no with a relief.
Today is decided to wear my blue one, of course. Thank you. Shall we get some photographs? Yeah. Jelani, thank you.
So guys, we just got out of the Princess Pavilion. It was 15 minutes we were in there between the queue and meeting the princess. So we got Ariel. I have met Ariel before in Florida, but it was her as a mermaid, not in her actual clothes. I'm delighted now that we actually got to meet her. But even just to go in there in general, it's actually so small in there, isn't it? Yeah. I don't know how it's a 2-hour wait time with the amount that's in there.
Used to make a queue up by small one.
Yeah, used to have to queue up around the back. But Marie was out a few minutes ago, so I'm hoping she's still here. It's starting to rain now, so I'm not sure, but I'd love to meet her. Like, the last time she was available to meet, it was actually as an annual pass secret meet kind of thing. They just put up on Instagram there that she's out, and we seen her a few minutes ago, so I'd love to meet her. So hopefully we can.
You love pink, right?
Guys, we just met Marie. She was the cutest thing ever. She was so cute. So we were out there for maybe, I don't know, maybe a little over 40 minutes. Like, I only have a plastic poncho that doesn't even fit me, and Aaron doesn't have anything. So he was hiding for some of it for a shelter, and then he came back down to me when I stopped for a bit. She was really nice, really cute. I literally, after we met her, we went through the photographs and I cried because she was so cute when we met her. We're in Pizzeria Bella Noche. Every time we go to come in here, it's always jam-packed. And we actually just walked through the door this time, which I'm surprised about. So I got the pesto pasta and Aaron got the lasagna to try. So we usually get the Mickey pizza, but I really want to try that pesto. So yeah, Aaron's just waiting for it to be done, then he's going to come down. So just got our food. So this is my one, it's the pesto pasta. It smells unreal. If you know, you know about the garlic bread in here. Aaron is eating lasagna, ignoring the bite out of it, that was him. Aaron's behind me watching the Liverpool match on his phone. We're going to go into the studios and we're going to try and see Stitch live. We're trying to do things that will keep us indoors because obviously it's lashing out on and off, on and off. It's stopped now, but could start again in a couple of minutes, you know. I'm already worried about the fireworks. I think they're not going to put the drones on, to be honest. Yeah, we're just walking in now. Hopefully it's not full up and we can see Stitch live. I haven't seen that since like 2017 or something, you know. That's a lie, I wasn't even here in 2017, 2019. So yeah, I don't know if you can record on that actually. I'll see. Aaron's got an on flight for us and he's absolutely freezing and he keeps saying he wants to go, but I know if we go home we'll just go to sleep and we won't see the fireworks. So I'm panicking now. While he's gone I'm going to buy him a jumper. So I'm just looking around, something that I know he'll actually wear again rather than just buy it once and he won't wear it again. So I bought him a jumper. I didn't bother buying a bag because he's got to put it on now. It's actually a jumper I want, so I'll say, because he'd be like, why'd you give me a jumper? So I'll be like, oh, I bought it for myself, you can just wear it now. It's the ones that have like, they're all grey and then it has Mickey Mouse on the back of them. We were looking at them the last few days and we said we'd get one, but I couldn't get it in the, I ran to the Marvel shop, I ran to the Tower of Terror shop, so I had to run out into studios and come back in, like to the world premiere and come back in. So I just hope he hasn't gotten off the ride yet because I have all his phones so he can't even ring me. So he'll start panicking, being like, where did she go? He's actually freezing. He said his wrists and all are sore because he's so cold. So I hope he likes this now. There's a jumper.
Aoife.
This is the jumper Aaron. Aaron can try it on. And look at the back. Isn't it so cute? Just sitting down now and we got some waffles finally. I'm getting kind of cold. And then I got just a coffee and the waffles to get. It's €7. It sounds a sweet break. So yeah, just walking up to Slinky Dog. It's only 5 minutes. A lot of the things here are 5 minutes now, so we're just gonna get the last few things done now. Here, there's literally nobody there. That's great. Look, those girls ran to the front and they're the only two at the front. We're getting on Ratatouille. Single rider is 5 minutes or together is 15 and the park closes in a half an hour. Single rider it is. So we just got off Remy. We went in the single rider just to end up in not only the same park but beside each other anyway. So we actually sat beside each other. We're just looking in the little Ratatouille shop now. Oh, that's very cute. Oh, the cookbooks. Bistro Shirami. That's nice one. I like that. Cute. I don't know what that part means, but that obviously means a little shop. Oh. This shop was smaller than I remember it was. I feel like it was bigger before. We are just leaving the studios now. We got a good few rides in the end, didn't we?
Yeah, we did, yeah.
We did a lot of rides because they were all like 5 minutes. Bye! Oh, don't trap me! We're just going to go to main park now and watch the fireworks and ruin all of my makeup. We didn't get to watch it the last time we were here because they changed the times last minute and we didn't check it on the app. We've only watched it from like roughly the Moana part onwards the last time, but I've seen it in full on YouTube. Aaron's never seen it. And I'll try film as much as I can on this, but my battery's going, guys. So we're just walking to get some popcorn for the fireworks. The sweet popcorn here is whichever has them. Sometimes they sell out, so we're just going to do that and then find a spot. It's about 40 minutes beforehand. finally got our machine broke. And there are people giving out in the queue. And we were like, just wait, just wait. So we're having a popcorn now. What just all be gone before things start?
You can feel it in the air with us right now. Let it take you back to the first time you felt it ignite. All the stars in your sky, do you remember?
A fairy wand, de sortilège, and wishing stars. But not all magic is something you see with your eyes.
La magie ne se voit pas toujours avec les yeux. La magie est cette chose que l'on ressent à l'intérieur de soi.
Sometimes magic is something you feel inside.
She stands apart from me. She loves the sea and the land. She makes her whole family cry. I will find my way.
Every pass I make, every home I turn,
If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my life.
see the light in the sky as the sea calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. One day I'll know how far
I've landed on a strange planet with a formidable fortress. We need to secure the area. Not today, sir. magic is in our friendship. To infinity and beyond!
Il suffit d'un battement de cœur pour que la magie prenne vie.
When you find love in your heart, the world becomes a magical place.
autour de vous.
Find your magic, embrace it, and pass it on.
We watched the fireworks. Look at my face. Look at that big tear stain, and it goes all the way down to my chest. I didn't cry on this side for some reason. There are glasses marks in, yeah. They were unreal, as always. And yeah, now we're in Sequoia Lodge having a drink, so I stopped crying. And yeah, I'm only on 5% battery, so I can't really show too much. So I will come back to you in a bit. Hi everyone, we are only finishing the vlog now. It's the next day and we're literally walking into the park, but my camera died last night as well as all of our phones. She went home, packed and went to bed, and yes, we're literally heading into the parks now, so I just wanted to finish this video here. So thanks so much for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe to see the next vlog and all my future vlogs as well. Bye!